Good evening. Welcome to the Hamsphere with K4PNV. This evening we're going to be taking a look around the shack here at some virtual transceivers. The Hamsphere 4.1, 3.1, CQ100, and also we're going to take a look at some digital modes in the authentic or real HF radio world. So here in just a second I'm going to turn the camera, put the camera over here, and we'll start taking look at some of the transceivers that we have here in the shack. As you can probably tell, I'm a novice narrator here, so you'll have to bear with me as I attempt to explain things here. So I'll go ahead and flip it around here and start looking around here in the shack a little bit. Let's see, let me flip this thing around the other way here. And we will turn the camera around. I can grab the right thing here to turn it around here. Alright. I'm going to, this may be a little shaky here at first, but I'm going to move the tripod here so I don't get tangled up in it. Move it in here a little closer here. Okay, now we're going to be taking a look first here at the Hamsphere. What happened to my camera here? I swear this thing is giving me a fit here. See, I just tightened it up here. And I just got this new camera, and the camera's working fine. It's just that I don't know how to operate the blame thing, the tripod. Let me take a look here and see. Okay, we have the right now the virtual transceiver Hamsphere 4.0 loaded up here, and I'm going to cut the volume up on it here. We'll listen to it here.
Yesterday we had an inch of rain, and today we've only had a drizzle.
As you can see, this transceiver looks real. I mean, it's really a fabulous virtual transceiver. It's got all the amateur bands on it and so forth, and it does a tremendous job. Let me go over see what we got here. And this thing also has a beam antenna on it. I seem to be getting a little bit off the frequency there now. Alright, let's get back here on this one here. Let's look at some other bands here and see if anything's going on here. Alright, there it is. Appears to be, I think I'm on 30 meters right now. 30 meters.
This is CQ2 Hotel Sugar 4482, calling CQ 30 meters, CQ 30 meters. 2 Hotel Sugar 4482, calling CQ 30 meters and standing by.
Okay, you can hear the guy calling CQ on there. We have amateur radio operators on here and radio hobbyists. So it lets everybody have a chance here to talk. Ham radio operators and radio hobbyists. Maybe you're a CB or maybe you're a shortwave listener and so forth. Okay, we're going to move over here to another transceiver here now. I'm going to shut this one down here, and I'm going to load the Hamsphere 3 up here. This is another version of Hamsphere. All right, let's see what's happening on this one here. All right. Okay, this is the Hamsphere 3.0 version here.
Sierra 1227 Mike Radio Charlie Kilo return. Yes, I know exactly what you mean. It's sometimes the English people can sound a little bit like the USA as well. But I've been in this country all my life, so I do talk to a lot of US stations and also a lot from your part of the world.
Okay, that is the Hamsphere 3.0 and the virtual transceiver. It's just a lower version than the 4.0. Okay, we have a limited amount of time here on the camera here, so I'm now going to move the tripod here and try to get it over here without moving the camera around too much here and causing too much disturbance here. All right, let's see what we got here. Maybe I can zoom that in a little bit. Let me see. As I said, I haven't quite got used to the transceiver here yet, but we're looking right here now at the CQ100 virtual transceiver. And if you'll notice, the transceiver is on one side, and there another little neat thing about this is the video that they also can send pictures, video, you know, back and forth to each other. That's one thing that the CQ100 has that the Hamsphere don't have here. Let's see if we can get this camera. You're looking at a 22-inch monitor here on the computer screen. We're running Windows 7 here on both computers. I have the Windows 8.1, but I don't like Windows 8.1 unless I'm running the desktop. I don't like the apps at all. I don't like them at all. I'm going to see if you can hear some sound coming out of this.
So, you know, it gives it...
I have earphones hooked up on this thing.
I don't care who's painted the bloody thing.
The sound may not be too good. This is a USB set of earphones. I'm just putting it up close to the mic here in hopes that you'll be able to hear something.
You live in a house for 400 years and have a look at the ceiling. I live in a house for 4 years and have a look at the ceiling. The wife will tell you. We need...
Okay, let's move along here in the shack now. We'll move right along here. I don't know how much time I got on this. I got an 8 meg chip here in the camera. I figure maybe 8 minutes or something like that. Probably not that long. Okay, we're going to move over here now to the real amateur radio station here. And let me adjust this up here a little bit. This monitor here is a little higher than the other ones now. It's higher, and I'm running let's see here, PSK31 on this one here right now. Watch me knock a monitor or something, like a keyboard or something off here. Okay, as you know, as you can see there, they are sending text there. I don't know if you can read that or not. Maybe I can get it in a little bit clearer there. I don't know if you can see that or not on the monitor there, but they are transmitting text. It's a little bit of a ripple there in the screen for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's the screen, but anyhow, I don't know what's causing that. That looks a little bit better there. It did anyway. I don't know. But down there you can see the waterfall down there, and of course you put these on the waterfall to copy the text. You know, the text that they're sending. There's a strong signal there. The brighter the stream there, the stronger the signal on it there. As I said, I don't know whether you can read what they're sending there or not. This is a new video camera I have here. I haven't quite figured out how to work it there yet. But anyhow, this is the mode here, PSK31 on the radio here. And if you unhook it and listen to the tones, of course, I have the tones muted because I don't want to be bothered with all that noise here in the shack. I mean, it just would probably drive you crazy unless you'd like to listen to it. Okay, we'll get off of this here, and we'll look over here at some more stuff here I have here in the shack. Let me pull this back here a little bit. Take a look here and see what we got here. Lower this down here a little bit. And let's see here. There is some of my radios there I have down there. See if I can see that back a little bit. No. There we go. That's the TS520S Kentwood. That's what I'm using for the PSK31 mode. You can see the monitors on top there, okay? And there's a CB radio there, and there's another setup I have there for 10 meters. I have over there a 10 meter FM, and I use also PSK31 on 10 meters and the JT 65 mode. Okay, if we look back over here again where we had this other one, we can see here I have a an ICOM sitting there. If you can see it, that's an ICOM there. Let me see if I can zoom it in. Yeah, that is an ICOM sitting there, and up there on top, that's an old that is a Tempo 1 transceiver. It does work good on CW, and here, I don't know if you can see my paddle there or not. Maybe I can cut a light over here. Maybe that'll help a little bit. But here's my paddle here I use for that. Okay, I use that to key the transceiver, and also I can use the keyboard on the computer. Either one. I just hit the tripod here. This thing is it's starting to really aggravate here. Me this sitting me in this tripod are going to have it out here in a little bit. Okay, and that right there is an old Swan there. That's a Swan. What is that? That's a 270B Sigma, if I'm pronouncing it right, I believe. And we also have some 2 meter stuff there. There's my 2 meter radio there that I seldom use. There it is right there. I think that's a Kentwood too, that 2 meter there. 2 meter Kentwood I have there. Yeah, that's a 2 meter there. And I also have another 2 meter sitting on top of that, a Radio Shack 2 meter and a Kentwood. And there's the mic there for the Kentwood. And I also have a Bearcat scanner here. That is a trunking mode scanner. And let's see here, Lord, there is a mobile rig there I use here in the shop. That's a little, what is that? I don't know what that is. I got so many radios here in the shack, I don't know what it is, what that is. I believe it's a TS120, I believe. I'm not sure I can even see what's wrote on it, but I'm gonna say that's what it is. My tripod just fell over here. And we also have some shortwave radio equipment here in this shack also. So I try to straighten the tripod up here a little bit. Alright, that one up there is a Radio Shack. It has a BFO on it where you can copy sideband and stuff on it. That is a DX3, what is that thing? A DX392. And that other one on the bottom there, that one there is a Grundig. There, that's a Grundig. There. And you can see I have it in close proximity to my operating station here I use for the virtual transceiver, so I can just reach right over and tune it. I have everything here so I can reach it. You know, I don't have to